Tires are the only part of your car that touches the road, so keeping them in good condition is very important. Outside tire wear is a common problem that can reduce tire life, affect fuel efficiency, and make driving unsafe. Here are some common causes of outside tire wear and tire wear patterns. Tires that are underinflated do not carry the car evenly. More pressure falls on the edges, causing the outside of the tire to wear faster. Always check tire pressure and maintain it according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Overinflated tires can also cause uneven wear. Too much air makes the center of the tire bulge, but in some driving conditions, it can push the edges to wear more quickly. Taking corners at high speeds puts extra pressure on the outer edges of the tires. Frequent hard cornering causes outside tire wear and reduces tire life. It can also affect your car's handling and stability, making driving less safe. To extend tire life, try to take turns smoothly and at moderate speeds. Rapid acceleration and fast turns increase stress on the outer tires. Aggressive driving leads to uneven wear patterns over time. This can reduce tire life and affect your car's grip on the road. Driving smoothly helps maintain even tire wear and improves overall safety. Tires need to be rotated regularly to ensure even wear. Failing to rotate tires can cause the outside edges to wear faster in certain positions on the car. Regular rotation helps extend tire life and maintain balanced handling. Tire imbalance causes uneven pressure on the tires while driving. This can lead to vibrations and accelerated wear on the outside edges. Getting your tires balanced regularly helps ensure a smoother ride and longer tire life. Low quality or soft compound tires wear faster, especially on the edges. Using the right tire for your vehicle and driving conditions can reduce outside wear. Choosing durable, high-quality tires also improves safety and performance. Hot weather can soften tire rubber, and friction increases wear, especially on the outside. Cold weather can make tires stiff, causing uneven contact and wear. Maintaining proper tire pressure in all conditions helps reduce uneven wear and prolong tire life. Worn or loose wheel bearings can cause slight wobbling while driving. This uneven rotation accelerates outside tire wear. Getting wheel bearings checked and maintained regularly helps ensure smooth rotation and extends tire life. By taking care of your tires, you ensure better performance, longer tire life, and a smoother, safer driving experience.